Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to install a tip top as part of our fishing rod building tutorial series. Now the first step is just to make sure that the tip top that you're going to install or replace fits the actual shaft of the rod blank that you have. Next we're going to use a little bit of tip top glue. I'm going to use a razor blade. I'm just going to shave off a small sliver. Actually see it right on the razor blade, and then take that small sliver and slice it long ways so that you end up with a few pieces that are going to be able to fit inside the shaft of the tip top. Now I like to use a 90-degree tweezer. It just makes it easier for me to handle these small slivers and accurately place them inside that shaft. But you want to put 2 or 3 shivers of the tip top glue inside the shaft itself. And then place that tip top on the side facing upward so that those slivers don't fall out. Heat up a little bit of the tip top glue. I just use a barbecue lighter, one of the long shafted barbecue lighters, and apply some of that molten glue right to the end of the rod blank. Next I'm going to use either needle nose pliers or the tweezers to hold the tip top, and I'm just going to heat it up a little bit. Doesn't take much. You can see that the glue actually starts to boil inside. Then you're going to place that tip top shaft right on to the end of the rod blank. Make sure it doesn't burn your fingers, and then make sure that the tip top is oriented in alignment with the rest of the guides on your blank. The final step is going to be after that glue dries, is you can, this is the glue that squeezes out after inserting the tip top. You can just pick that all off with your fingers. Now some people will go to another step and actually wrap this with threads just like their guides and coat it with epoxy, and other people just put a little bit of epoxy on the joint. And that's it, a very simple process, part of the rod building tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would absolutely love it if you left a comment in the comments section. And by all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. Thank you very much for watching.